AudioLava is the ideal audio cleaning software for restoring and recording high-quality audio from LP or tape to CD. AudioLava automatically removes noise such as tape hiss or clicks and crackle on LP records with its state-of-the-art noise reduction algorithms. This tutorial will guide you how to change voice while recording in AudioLava with voice changer software Diamond. Step 1. Prepare your new voice. In VCSD 9.5's main panel, choose the morphing effects and make adjustments until you are satisfied with your vocal output. There are several ways to change your voice, including voice morphing and audio effects. Step 2. Change the audio setting in AudioLava. Open AudioLava. Choose Options, Device Settings. To open Device Settings dialog box. At Recording Device choose Me, Microphone, AV Soft Virtual Audio Device. Then click OK to finish. Step 3. Start the recording. At the tab Import, click Record from Record Player. Adjust the input level, then click Record button. After finishing the record, click Pause button. Then click Next to switch to tab Restoration to add the effects. Click Next to switch to tab Output. Choose Save your tracks as audio files. Choose Target folder, album name and file type. Click Next to finish.